The battle of the exchange coins. FTX, a top 5 exchange, versus Binance, the number 1 exchange. Which one of these crypto exchanges coins will perform the best and give us the most profit? The battle of the crypto exchanges coins. And also stay tuned for our giveaway. But let's have a look what's been going on. We're currently trading these two coins on Kucoin, the 5th ranked biggest exchange according to trading volume. Also known as the People's Exchange, the platform facilitates 1.2 trillion in lifetime trading volume and supports over 20 million users worldwide. The company claims to offer technology-driven trading projects and the Kucoin ecosystem, which encompasses the Kucoin community and is built around the Kucoin token, KCS. So two exchange coins versus each other, traded on a different exchange. Let's have a look at our first coin, BNB. Looking at our trading view graph, we can see we had some volume trading massively, a dump and a pump, and that created some profits to be taken. We're trading exactly the same strategy. Let's have a see and what's been happening. Currently we got 3 buy limit orders in place for BNB, and we have 6 sell limit orders ready to give us profit the moment the market pumps. The opportunities are endless, but how many trades has we closed in this period? Looking at our closed trades, we've closed 4 trades in profit in this period. Now on the FTT side, we've done exactly the same to make it as fair as possible. But before we get to FTT, let's have a look at some Binance Coin news. Binance Coin, BNB, increased significantly on Wednesday and is making its 6th attempt at breaking out from a bullish short-term pattern. In order to tackle its scaling issues, BNB announced that it was releasing the ZK-BNB testnet. The testnet can support 100 million addresses and handle up to 10,000 transactions per second. As a result, the testnet is expected to help developers build large-scale BNB smart chain-based applications with higher transaction speeds and lower transaction fees. Now this is massive for BNB. BNB on the smart chain is one of the easiest to use, and yet they're still developing and improving to make it better for the community. They want to keep on growing and keep on building. Let's have a look and see where we're standing with FTT. Looking at the chart, FTT also had some volatility, but not as much as BNB. And this might be the reason why BNB is slightly ahead. Looking at our current trades, we can see always we have 3 buy limit orders or the same buy limit orders open on both sides. And currently, the market has done it in a way that we have the same amount of sell limit orders open. We have 6 open on the BNB side, we have 6 open on the FTT side. But the question is, which one of these two coins has closed the most trades to give us profits? Looking at FTT's results, they've closed 3 trades in the same period, putting BNB slightly ahead after round 1. BNB 1, FTX currently 0. Do you think it will stay like this? Do you think FTT will catch up, or will Binance break away and keep on giving us the most profits? Looking at what's happening in the FTX world, FTT, Web3 Watch, GameStop partners with FTX, and Sorare creates NBA fantasy game. Solana, FTX are picking up, and Metaverse trademarks are also on the rise. Both of these companies or exchanges just keeps on building and growing their ecosystems, which is creating opportunities for profits as we trade between them. But which one will come out ahead? Which one will be the main one to give us the most profits over the battle of the exchange coins? But before we get to the finish line and see the tally, let's have a look at our pre-sale currently happening. Wolf Financials is having their pre-sale on 𝙦𝙤𝙧. Link will be down in the description for 𝙦𝙧𝙧. They're selling the ULFX token, the ULFX official token sale, 1 million tokens for sale at 5 cents per token. It includes the ULFC, the ULFG, and the ULFS token. So for the price of one token, you're getting 4 different tokens. With this open sale, the main thing why I bought in, I'm going after the ULFG, the government's token. Because after everything is paid, 70% of the profits goes to government token holders. It's similar like getting a dividend in the stock market. It's something new, it's something unique, but it's creating massive opportunities. And that's why I've bought into this pre-sale. Now we've spoken with Wolf Financials and they have agreed. Everyone who has used my link down in the description, signed up on 𝙦𝙧𝙧 and bought tokens, qualify to get their tokens doubled up to the amount of 5,000 tokens. So if you use the link and you've bought tokens, the wheel will be spinned in a second. And if it falls on your names and you've bought tokens already, you'll get doubled up to the amount of 5,000 tokens. If you haven't bought yet, unfortunately zero, we can't double. So make sure to watch this video and email me to claim your prize. The email address is down in the description. So let's see who is today's winner and who is gonna get their tokens doubled. Have you bought or have you not? Who is the lucky one to get their tokens doubled? ELM has won Wolf Financials ULFX tokens. Make sure to email me and claim your tokens if you're the winner, and we'll confirm with 𝙦𝙧𝙧. Now, if you haven't yet, remember, smash that like and subscribe button so we can keep on growing this community. And if you haven't yet, comment and let me know, who do you think is gonna be the winner of the exchange coins? FTT versus BNB. Enjoy the extreme crypto gains. Have a good one.